The Story of Amrita, Class 4 EVS NCERT, Chapter 4. This is a true story from long ago, almost 300 years ago, in a village called Khejadli, lived Amrita. Khejadli village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Children, do you know where is Rajasthan? Look at this Indian political map. This red color state is called Rajasthan. The village got its name because of the many khejadi trees that grew there. We can see many khejadi trees in Khejadli village. The people of this village took great care of the plants, trees and animals. Goats, deer, hares and peacocks roamed fearlessly there. The people of the village remembered what their elders used to tell them. They used to say, "Agar पेड़ है तो हम हैं." Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. The Khejadli village people are great animal lovers and also the plant lovers. Trees in danger. Time went by. Amrita was now grown up. One day she went to greet her trees. She saw that there were some strangers in her village. They had axes with them. Amrita अभी बड़ी हो गई थी और सुबह उठ के उनके फ्रेंड ट्री को ग्रीट करने गई थी. उस समय उनके गांव में दो अजनबी लोग को देखा. उनके हाथ में कुल्हाड़ी थी. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. The men shouted and threatened her, but Amrita did not let go of the tree. Amrita ने अपने ट्री को हग किया और वो स्ट्रेंजर्स को काटने नहीं दिया. The king's men had to follow his order. They had to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the tree to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. लेकिन ये strangers को किंग का ऑर्डर को फॉलो करना था और वो लोग ट्रीज को काटना शुरू किए. इसको देख के अमृता का तीनों बेटियां आए और वो गांव के hundreds of people आके ट्रीज को हक किए और ये लोग सभी को मारा दिया. अमृता, उनकी बेटियां और वो गांव के 300 लोग से भी ऊपर लोग ये ट्रीज को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए मर चुके थे. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their lives for trees. He visited the village himself. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. ये कहानी को ये राजा सुन के आश्चर्य हो गया और खुद ही वो गांव को देखने के लिए आया और वो विलेज पीपल का प्यार को देखा ट्रीज के ऊपर और एनिमल्स के ऊपर. और ये राजा को भी प्लांट्स के ऊपर और एनिमल्स के ऊपर प्यार आने लगा. Children, do you know who was that Raja? He was Maharaja Abhay Singh. Honoring the courage of the Bishnoi community, the ruler of Jodhpur, Maharaja Abhay Singh, apologized for the mistake committed by his officials and ordering the following. All cutting of green trees and hunting of animals within the revenue boundaries of Bishnoi villages was strictly prohibited. Even the members of the ruling family did not shoot animals in और even near the Bishnoi village. उसके बाद से वो महाराजा ने ऑर्डर दिया उसी गांव के आसपास कोई भी एनिमल्स को हर्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं और कोई भी ट्रीज को काट नहीं सकते हैं. Now the village is protected. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered that from then on no tree would be cut, no animal harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area called Bishnois continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. The Bishnois' protection of all living things is a way of life. Hunters. Who are hunters? Some people hunt animals for fun, fur, horn, tusk and skin. They are called hunters or poachers. This is an illegal practice and a punishable act. Children, know about KGD tree of Bishnoi people. KGD trees are mostly found in desert areas of Rajasthan. It is also known as the king of the desert and the golden tree. People cook and eat its fruits. Its bark is used for making medicines. Animals in this area eat the leaves of the KGD. Children, what did you learn from this story? Amrita Devi sacrificed her life for saving trees. She also sacrificed her life along with 3 daughters, Asu, Ratni and Bagbai. More than 363 other Bishnois also died saving these KGD trees. The Bishnoi community is often called the protector of wildlife and environment in western Rajasthan. They used to say, "Agar ped hai to hum hai." Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. Plant a tree and get oxygen for free. Shoot animals with cameras, not guns. This earth was made for all beings, not just human beings. Save tree, save shelter of animals. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Save animals, save trees.